Hi, sorry, are you guys there?
Could you hear me?
Yes, yes. Sorry, what's issue with the audio?
You're not hearing.
Yeah, going to trade now. One second, got issue with the audio, got issue with the bunch of things. So, but you see the new tool, this guy?
I posted a picture in the chat. I don't know if you found it, but it comes out very weird for me. I don't know why.
Which one?
The liquidity heat map, I posted in the chat.
Because
I'll post a
okay.
picture now.
All right. All right, so let me show you how you deal with it. You see my screen?
Yeah.
So let me go back here. Let me close it. Okay, and then you go to there. And then when you open, you go through, you can do a 15 minutes and then do a 1 minute. What do you see now?
Yeah, that's the current settings I have, but it's all brown. I'll show you a picture again.
All right, now you have to go here. Look, take a look at here. You go here, and then you move it. You see it?
Yeah, but I'm telling you, I don't know if it's this browser or what's happening. I don't know if anyone else could touch it and they see the same thing, but
Okay, 1 minute. Cycle. Because you can do whatever you want. You can go here, even you can go 1 minute. You get it like that? That's what you get? That's the problem you have? Yeah, my friend. I don't know if you're there, but no answer anymore. Okay. What?
Yeah, can you see your screen now?
Okay, that what you see?
That's what that, yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, my power back.
look, you have to click here in 5 minutes, and then you see like that. You see all this
Yeah,
you see here. So do you read it here? It is liquidity. Okay, so what? How you fix it? You go in here. You see that right there, and then you click.
oh,
Then you move it. The issue is I made a compressor, so you can see it bigger or smaller. And you can click here on the 25, and then you can, make it what size you want it. But I will recommend do it 5 minutes, 1 minute right here, and then you have to wait a little bit so they can reload on your end.
over. So this is kind of like bookmap in a way,
Um,
same old concept.
it is same concept but way different.
Oh,
I'm going
because
to
I see it's like, showing the absorption, the iceberg, the liquidity,
I'm going to show you something. You see this? They show you the fake liquidity, where it's sitting, and then where is the big boys sitting. I don't know, so do you understand a little bit what I tried to show you? But let me show you this. Take a look. All this is the others. This is the one. That only like this. And let's zoom. Okay. And you can do a gray or you can do it thermal. No matter. So you click here. If you take a look, they go for 50 points. All right. All these right here, they are levels with some kind of liquidity. You're going to
so you're saying it's going down, right?
No. This is not telling you it's going down, up. This thing, the only thing they does, is tell you visually where they are sitting. I don't know if this makes sense because look, 68, 65, 5 points. Let's go that 5 points. And wait a little bit. You have to clear up this. They are very sensitive with the mouse, okay? Because you can zoom in, you know, a point or 25 cents and then look all the others. All this is others. I don't know if you get it.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
So the bar on the bottom is the CBD or what?
Yes, that's a CBD. That's mine, CBD. That's a different one, but this is mine.
Oh.
Wait a minute. Now, this is another thing you can do. You hit your mouse and then you can move up or down and see where this the liquidity is sitting. You understand this?
Mm-hmm.
So you can see it. Wait a minute, because I do a few things here. One time I reset a few things that take a few minutes to load. I have to go to the 5 minutes to my half doing screen open. Fresh here. And let that thing go higher.
So what do you think for today?
One second, I'm going to show you something. 1 second.
Mhm.
So now, why I did it, why I spend my time and then try to you guys learn these things. All right, so, okay, so let me refresh it. Effort. Now take a look at this. Right here, display liquidity. That's the pool. This is a pool.
Oh, fake, yeah.
Yeah, fake. So what happened with this? See, do you think the price going that way? You see how they go away and coming back?
Mm-hmm.
So, do you think the price going that way? You have to be careful the way you're going. You are seeing this liquidity because they're going to, trip you out. Because when we go near there, the price going down to this area, they're going to remove it. That's the way they do it. Then you see this bar right here. That's a big support right there. Look at what happens when you go near to them. Let me find a ground because I got the setup done. So best setting 1 minute, and then you do it 5 minutes right here. You can do 1 minute too. And then what you have to do is set up 10 points up and down, so you can see, this area. All this you see here is others. This is my number. This is what what I see. I understand it's kind of complex, but it is not. One time you get it, take a look at this.
I think this will be more confusing if someone has no experience with
I know, but this is not for everyone. This, why do you think I put it so far down there? This thing is for people who understand liquidity.
No, what I'm trying to say is if you have never used a tool like this, I don't know how many people have used the bookmap before, but I've used it before, so I kind of understand it to a certain degree.
Okay, well, so do you?
But it's different, like you're saying, it's a little different, but.
No, a little, not a lot different, because this thing does stuff, a bookmap does not do. For example, they tell you the whale bid, where they are. They tell you if the iceberg was full or no. If it was partial, Take a look at this. Show you if the liquidity is fake or not. So you put the candle.
Everything it's showing basically everything below is fake.
Correct. So you put a 15 minute, okay? This is a 15-minute candle. Yeah. So take a look what happened with the other going through the candle. So this is a support area right here. And then this is the fake. What happened is, do you know if the price goes this size, this area, they're going to go up because this thing is fake. They're going to be removed. You understand? Mm-hmm. And then what do you do when you go to this area? You enter long. On the case of the ES. You take a look. You see how they removed? Go there. Look. Watch this. Take a look what happened with the price. The price, no, it's nothing there. You can remove the other. You see? Boom. You understand a little bit or no? Mm-hmm. So the only thing this does is going to show you that whatever you see, it is right or not. And then you can see by the intensity of the color, how many others is sitting. Put it like this. See, all this green is positive support. See what happened with the price? And then you see this, for a long time, even when you go down. Look. And this, the green one, this is the real liquidity. Okay, and then this is the whale bid. So this is tell you, take a look here. It's the real time what happened on the market, right there. And then do you see on top? What do you see on top? Talk to me. You see it? Nothing
No,
there.
yeah, I have to look at your stream. My thing is not, it's a little issue.
Well, it's no issue. It is, you have to be able to fix. So right now, take a look. So if you want the price to move higher, they're going to cut the price. How they cut the price? Using this. Boom.
Mhm.
Take a look. You see why the price don't go down this area? It's still in there.
Mhm.
Just watch. You have what are you using to trade a notebook or using a computer?
No, computer.
Okay, yeah,
I never use notebook.
well, because on the computer, you mouse have to be sensitive.
Mhm. So far, we're going down. Yeah.
You want to see this because you see what happened when the liquidity is over.
Mhm.
While the liquidity is here, the price stay there. While the liquidity is over, the price going down. You see to the next one. You get the idea?
Mhm.
That's the thing you want to see. This where it show you, nothing else. I don't know. So do you know? Let me show you this screen now. One second. So see this screen. This will be the 678 level we arrive, and then take a look at this. That's a volume profile. Now you see the rejection here. Let's go back to another one. Take a look where is the positive one. Negative, positive. Take a look. Now, how you trade using this? You do it like this. And move it this way. You put 15 minutes. Let me put 15 minutes here. And then let me go to this area like this. And then, so now this is the full picture. Okay. I show you the details. Now let me show you now the full picture. The 30 minutes, let me see, 5 minutes. 30 minutes, fine. 50 minutes. Okay. Okay, 50 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, so let me move this out. Out here. So how you trade using this? Faster, one second, let me put this lower. You have to go a long time frame. You cannot do this in a short time frame. So even you go in 15 or you go in 30. Because you want to watch this.
So far, just keep dumping with all the fake orders, even with all the fake orders.
Take a look at this. See the line here? You see it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Watch this. You move your mouse here and then adapt the terminal, this side. Then you're going to see where it is the order sitting. You see this here? It's a huge order in this area. And then if you go down a little bit,
The black gap is the order?
all these orders sitting there. I just
The
compress
real
it.
orders with hoops?
No, these waiting orders, waiting to be filled. Take a look here.
No, what I mean is, there's a lot of real orders with fake orders.
Because the spoof, I put fake, so so the people do not confuse a spoof with real orders. Because a spoof is going to trick you out. So now, where's the price is sitting? 68.52. So take a look at this. 68.48 will be a level we can go. You see that guy right here? On the dome?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is something you can go 68.48, and then if you keep going down, 68.47, you go, the price is going to be to this spike. Take a look at this. And then it's going up. They're going to be here, there, and there. Now, see the here on top. We are bidding 21,000 and we are asking 14,000. So what that tell you? When the bid is big on this. What info do you get from there? When this number is like
Sorry, what did you say?
You see here?
Oh, yeah, you're talking about like the bullish rate is much higher than the selling.
Correct. What that mean to you?
They should be going up.
Because it's a lot of demand to buy and then it's a little seller. You understand?
Mhm.
And then take a look what happened with the price. So I'm going to, let me expedite this.
Interesting, because on the bottom, yours is green, the CBD buying is red.
1 second. 1 minute. All right. You see this? How it coming green and like that? So you can change this, the color, with this guy right here. Go in thermal, and then take a look where the big liquidity is sitting. Take a look at this. The price is in this area, but you want to see the big picture. You want to see the other sides, no? So you can make it a decision where to go, where to trade.
If you look at the chart, there's a lot of ice, like the icebergs show up and disappear, show up and disappear on the bottom. So,
Yeah, but
you know,
take a look here. Read this guy. This is a well bid. Okay, they are bidding right here. 68.80. So that means the price, no, it is a lot of the others sitting right here, waiting in this area. Now let me show you this. Put this a little bigger. Take a look at this number right here. See, I say real. There's a real liquidity right here. Okay, there's a fake liquidity right here. This absorption, this area. And then so you going through this, the price will get these guys and then go to this area. And then they need to find more people willing to sell so they can keep going up. Watch this guy. To the bottom.
Hey, man, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. How are you?
Hey, no.
How's everything going? How family?
Couldn't be much, unfortunately, but it is what it is. So it's good.
Good to know.
Yeah, but I have no idea what you guys are doing right now, I'll be honest.
No, I have my bot.
I go over this, get around next week more thoroughly.
So the bot I've been training the bot over the last couple days. So far I got almost 50%. I mean autonomous trading. And then they trade with one contract, two contracts, things like that. So all this,
Oh, okay.
so all this the trading they do.
It's not a lot for us, right?
The problem is that the bot, okay, the bot is using real money to pay, you know. So you can.
How many things do you do per day?
Who's account made for it though? Which broker or which futures trade?
To trade 43 times today?
I have 5 accounts on this bot. 5 different ones.
Yeah, but it's saying 43 trades total since the start or today?
Today they trade, let me show you, they do. So, where did they put the data? So, I have to put something here so I know. They do all this trading, but I have only a little, they post only the last 20.
Man, that's a lot.
Yeah, I
I
know.
didn't know that
I'm training them, you know, that's the way I do it, you know. My goal is giving to them the free will so they can do whatever they want. Think about this. You give a pro account to them. It's not cost to you your money, you know. You pay for whatever, you know, and then you telling him, okay, trade. And then they're going to
So
use,
this is a real account?
this is a real account.
What I mean is if it's doing 43 trades in one day.
That no matter. That
It's
other
probably gonna
day,
be so much on commission.
I know, they read this guy, let me show you. They read this
It's only using the liquidity, the EMAX?
liquidity, and then they use this guy too.
Oh, the Dom,
They use the you know the signal from here. So
the
they
futures Dom, okay.
so he entered the CPI. He entered in this area, and then they know the rules. They know they trade from here to here to here. So they know the rules. Take a look at it. They're going to buy now. So it is a signal. They have to hit around 13 points right here, so they can decide what to do. So this is not made, they don't go on the trade. I don't know if that makes sense for you. He's not going to trade because they want. They have to, you know, CBD, the liquidity, the chart. They need to agree. Even the cyan and the gold and the blue lines, they need to agree with the move. What I try to do with this bot is give it to him a 25K account and then set up to make $300-400 a day. And think about it. I can feed this bot with 10 accounts easily. You can manage a 10 account at the same time.
I see.
Watch this. You will see when they change direction, they're going to show you. You keep your eyes there. change from neutral to bullish or to whatever they want to go. But unless that's not made, they're not going to do anything. And always I can do it manually.
You gonna trade or you just letting the bot trade there?
Now I'll be fixing this. I'm going to start in, trades of, really soon. I just wait for a few setup and then the bot right now is doing shadow trading, but I'm going to make the bot go live when, let me see.
Do you personally, when you trade?
Yes.
The bot, do you use the price chart anymore or you use mainly the DOM and the?
No, I don't use the price chart anymore. I use for guidance, but I don't use that for catching out because for what you need it. You know what, the area to buy and then you know the area to sell.
Mhm.
It's, the chart, sometimes when you see too many things at the same time, they're going to confuse you.
Yeah.
So let me show this. Let me see, they're going to what? Okay, look, they're going to switch over very soon. Take a look.
Do they get shorted?
No, wait a minute.
Because that's a long thing.
Wait a minute. You see, you have to wait for this. They are preparing. Look, they told you the Q, what the Q is doing. You see, the spy, what they're doing. They check everything, brother. So I'm going to align SPX. I don't align yet, but they align Qs. You see, Qs, they are long. But wait a minute. Now let's go to see the liquidity because you want to see this where the price going up. Take a look at this. The move is still to the outside because they are more buyers than sellers. Now watch this. You see this? This where my mouth is. Take a look at this. This is the amount of seller in that area.
Oh, yeah. The red is, I don't know, yellow, brown, what is that?
This area right here, this is the amount of seller in this area.
The red is the seller?
Yeah, yeah. Remember, for the price go up, they need somebody willing to sell. Selling no mean the price goes down. Selling mean the buyer buy this level, and then seller give it to them like that. Boom, 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 and then they're going. It's a 1 minute candle. Let me put 50-minute candle.
What is the refresh? Alright, you update them?
Yeah, I can do it today, but I don't want to change this color now. So now 6840, it is this area around here, this 68, what is it, 6845, yeah, 6845. So so you see the price right here, it is a good place to go in.
You know, the dawn on this right side for me, not coming all the way down, this is halfway. I'll just send you a picture.
Send me a picture, let me take a look.
Yeah.
Now you see how long they took in this area and then they know able to go down this area? They keep retesting. There are a lot of buyers right here. They're buying this area.
I post a picture.